Okay, this video is going to talk about nets. Nets are basically online meetings that are held on repeaters. They're super cool and fun to join. If you haven't joined one, you should check it out. It's a lot of fun. So I'm looking at my area. This is my real home location. We're going to search for a repeater and its name, and this is real stuff here, W4UC. Let's go ahead and hit go. You can see it automatically opened up the dialog, the context. It's in Pensacola, Florida. Let's hit the properties dialog or button on the toolbar. It opens up the properties over here. Now, you have if you look at the sticky header on that, the pencil icon is edit, the plus is add, the little group of persons, that's the net. Let's go ahead and click that. Brings up my nets. Notice I have 4 of them, and these are all real. I took the time to hunt these down off the club websites, and my area is getting really populated with all these nets. It really doesn't take much effort. This is what we need users to do if we want to build a really good community here. So we have an Elmer's net. You can notice that's down here, that's set up as a social rag chew. We have a Escambia County Aries net. That's an Aries type of meeting. These are all central time zones. And we have another one. This is a training session. There is a training type, but I left that as Aries as well. That's up to you. And then there's the Wire Rascals. That is also a social rag chew. But let's take a look at how this works. The Elmer's net is on Tuesday at 9:30. Let's look at the schedule. Notice that it started on December 28th. I just keyed that in a while ago. It starts at 7:30 p.m. Its duration is 30 minutes. Notice it's set for Tuesday down here on the days. It's every week. So you could set it up to be every other week on Tuesday. That would be, you would come down in here and type 2. Every 2 weeks on Tuesday from December 28th forever and ever, unless you want to have an end date. Here you can set an end date for maybe it ends on, December 31st of 2026 or something like that. So these are all weekly. Yeah, I'm going to hit, actually, let's do this. Let's just cancel my changes. There we go. So these are all weekly. These all happen weekly. Notice the schedule, the recurring schedule there is weekly. You can have one time, and this is going to happen at 7 p.m. on December 31st for 30 minutes. It's a one-time meeting. It's not going to happen ever again other than that one day at that one time. Let's hit cancel changes. Let's go into monthly. Monthly's more complex. So you can have it starts at 7 p.m. It's 30 minutes long. It's the third week of the month on Wednesday. And let's make it even more complicated. It happens every 2 months. So what this is saying is every other month on the third Wednesday of the month, we have this net. Okay? So you can get pretty sophisticated. And what will happen is that net will start blinking orange. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and go to my cheesy repeater here. Whiskey, Niner, Alpha Lima Bravo. Let's go. Okay, there we are. I think I might have a net on here. Yeah, let's do Mike's Hangout. This happens every day. What time is it? I'm looking at my computer. It's 9:55 a.m. So let's go over here and set this to be 9. Let's do, hopefully I can beat it. 56 a.m. done, save. Now, you're looking at that blinking icon there. It's jumping up and down. I intentionally have it right in the middle of an airport, just being goofy. But let's stick around for a minute and you'll see what happens. I don't have to do anything to make this happen. Everybody that's on the system will see that start to change. There you go. See how it changed? And my clock changed over to 9:56. Basically, every 15 seconds, your browser will make a sweep across all nets to see if any are activated. Once they become active, they'll turn into this icon. And you can see it sort of fading in and out. And if it stands out from all the other repeaters, you can see, notice how you can see it's larger. You can also then, let's click on it. Well, we're already selected. Let's go online. So now we're online. If you look at my little context window button on this dialog, see it's blinking, it says online. Let's go ahead and click who's online. Now it shows that I'm online, Whiskey Niner Alpha Lima Bravo. That's my user. That's actually my call sign. I made up this repeater, but so you know that user Whiskey Niner Alpha Lima Bravo is on this net right now. So if 20 or 30 people were on that net and you clicked who's online, you will see all of those people on that net. And that's how they work. So in 30 minutes, when that net expires, that'll stop blinking. So you can pull out and you'll be able to see all the ongoing nets. And I have a lot of them. I entered a lot of nets. So they're probably on Sunday night. I'm going to try this because I just entered them today. That'll happen tonight because today's Sunday. Tonight I'll look at my map and I should see a ton of repeaters in this general area light up in orange with actual nets going on. It's super cool, and I'm going to use that, and I'm going to hop on some of them tonight and see how that goes. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks. Bye.